Hi, this is CSE Martinez, and I'm going to share with you what I did for the OAuth. I followed the tutorial from the readings of the last week to sync up with GitHub. I'm going to sync out here, and okay, so I followed that tutorial, and I have this view to sync in with GitHub, and as you can see, it asks me for my credentials and that stuff. Okay, and I'm singing, and I successfully been authorized, and it returns the token, but I'm struggling with how to link that token that I have here to Swagger. So as I understand, here I need to add the security schemes and specify what type of auth I need and the credentials. And I see in one of the readings that I can use a token URL to have this authentication or authorize the APIs with the access token, but I'm just stuck in this part of how to link or how to send or use this token here, or if I need to use or here in this adding this part. So I'm still working on it, and I was looking a lot of pages but well, I just wanted to show you what I was working on, and I really want to finish this assignment, so I'm just showing the evidence that I'm working on it. But if I access to doc, here are my requests for Git, and in the last weeks I show you that every request is working successfully. For the dramas and for the actors, everything works well. So and also have the validation and that stuff. But yeah, so I don't really want to make this works, but I feel my time is over. But I'm going to reach you through Teams to have a meeting and make it work if I have the possibility to resend the assignment. It would be so nice. So for example, let me access to my MongoDB to test this part. So I tried other forums, like you said in the developers, not in the help conversation, that that I do not need a view, like just working in the backend. And I thought that working in the backend and that is using here in the Rails REST, I tried, but I need the authorized authorization with the client ID. So I was like, I don't know how to use the environment variables here. I don't think that it's possible. I don't found the way to test it here and add the authorizations here. But I was thinking about, okay, here or here is the key of this enigma for me. Okay, so okay, here are my database for the K-dramas, and I'm going to use the actors the K-drama. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to edit here this drama, the healer drama. So yeah. I'm going to here. I'll try that. Okay, so I'm going to add this with any values. Okay, to add it in the okay. So as you can see, I need the these ones be more than 4, be at least 4 characters long. So any title, I show this part in the last assignments, but I noticed that I need to show it here also. So I'm still working with the authentication, and sorry, I'm going to use the same. I have no mind right now. I don't know where's my mind at these hours. Okay, so execute. So as you can see, we have the response, and if I refresh, I'm going to have this new. Okay, so clear, cancel. Okay, so in get right ID, I'm going to get the healer ID, healer drama, and here is the healer drama, and I'm going to put the healer drama. I'm going to edit it. No, maybe just I'm going to edit this, the last one that I add. I don't want to alter the healer drama. Okay, so sorry, it's like for just demonstration. Okay. Execute. So here we have our so let's see. I think it's here is it. And you're going just to delete this drama. So it's the same. I work in the same with the actors collection. It works also, so it works correctly too. And okay, let me check my this one works correctly last week. Oh yeah, here's it. We have now that drama again. So yes, so as you can see, we're API responses works correctly, but I'm still working on authorization and how to know how to link that part. Okay, so yes, so thank you so much, and I'm going to reach you through Teams and maybe in a meeting to complete this assignment. So thank you and see you next week.